Hi, this is Sam with zTables, an add-in for effortless data management in Excel. Many people and organizations use Excel to manage and analyze their data, but managing data in a team and keeping it clean can be very painful at times. In this video, I'm going to use a simple example to show how zTables solves the most common problems with data management in Excel. Okay, let's get started. zTables is going to be a tab in your Excel ribbon. To start using zTables, simply click on Login and enter your credentials. Now let's talk about each problem that you can encounter when you're using pure Excel to manage your data, and I'll show you how zTables solves each of these problems. The first problem that I deal with when I'm managing data purely in Excel is that there's no one true version of the data. This means that I have to email the owner of the data every time I want to pull the latest version, and it becomes a nightmare very quickly when several people are working on the data simultaneously. With zTables, on the other hand, you have centralized data management. What this means is that any changes to the data are saved to the cloud, and I can get the latest version in a couple of clicks. All I need to do is click on Reload Data and Configuration, and then click on Yes. It's going to take a couple of seconds to reload, but once that's done, you know you have the latest version from the server. The second big problem that comes up when you're managing data in Excel is that it's very easy to introduce corrupt data. For example here, if you look at column H, I can very easily add a bunch of bogus data, like I'm doing right now, and then I can save it. If the dataset is large enough, it can take months before anyone notices. When I use zTables, on the other hand, I have input validation that's impossible for a user to circumvent. When I introduce bad data, it's going to highlight the offending cells in red. When I try to save, it simply won't let me. It's going to say, please fix the errors before you can save. It's only when I fix my errors that it's going to highlight the cells in green, and then let me save. The third problem with managing data in Excel is that it's very difficult to track changes. I've tried to do it manually before, but you have to always remember to do it, and then it's very easy to corrupt the change reports. With zTables, on the other hand, data changes are tracked automatically. All I need to do to view my changes is log into the zTables portal, go to my table. First thing I'm going to see is all my data, but then I can also click on history and see all my edits. For each edit, I get the person who did it, a message explaining the edit, and the time at which the edit was made. If I go to my edit from January 2016, I'm going to get that version of the data, and then if I click on the last page, I can see that the latest data point is from January indeed. Alright, that's everything. You can go to ztable.es today to download the add-on and start using it. Please send any thoughts, feedback, feature requests, criticism, bug reports to sam@ztable.es. Thanks again.